Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I haven't ever taken zinc before, but I hear it's good for you, so let's take a look and see what these pills look like. This is 50 milligrams, and it has Picolinate and Gluconate in it, whatever that is. But let's see. It's funny, it has that plastic cover on it, but then it also has this. It's like they want you to super safety cover it. But let's see what these pills look like. So this is, wow, check these out. I don't know if you can see them too much, but they're like powder filled. So you can kind of see it, like, it's interesting. So they're not completely full, but that's what they look like. And they are zinc, they're powder filled ones. Let's see, just take them, you know, it's got vegetable cellulose in there. Microcrystalline cellulose, silicone dioxide, magnesium stearate. So there you go. Not really a child-proof cap or anything, but this is it. This is by VitaCook. So the link's in the description if you guys need some zinc, and it says it provides overall skin health, helps support the immune system. Yeah, so links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with some other reviews.